I think my paint has been made in Cubist style because I use geometrical shapes. I can improve the details.
Lydia's painting has been made in Cubism style because the painter has colored with original colors. Lydia has made an effort to understand Cubism, and I want to congratulate Lydia for her beautiful.
Beautiful painting.
Beautiful painting.
I think Lydia's painting has been made in Cubist style because the painter has colored the body and the background with original colors.
I think Carla's painting has been made in Cubist style because Carla has used geometrical shapes. I think Carla has made an effort to understand Cubism. I want to congratulate Carla for her beautiful painting.
I want to congratulate Carla because the painter has colored the hair with original colors, and her painting is very artistic.